Let's make a door. Everyone's played a game, and every game you play, you will encounter the humble door. The humble door serves many purposes. It can be an obstacle, it can block your progress, it can lead to great items in different areas. Every game has a door, so we are going to make a door. The first thing you'll need is a bunch of sprites. You'll need to create a room, of course. You'll need some tile sets. That will suffice. So for our door, what we're going to need to do is create a couple of objects. I'm going to call this dummy door. And you're going to give the dummy door a sprite. That's going to be the sprite for our dummy door. We'll give it a create. We'll give it a step. We'll give it a draw. Now, for the dummy door, in the create, you don't need a whole lot. All you need is that's all you need for the create event for our dummy door. So now we're going to move into the step event for our dummy door, and you're just going to put in this bit of code. If x is greater than start x minus 40. We're going to say h speed equals minus 1. Else h speed equals 0. And then we're going to say, oops. And actually, we're just going to copy that. We're going to mark it first. Make it slide left. And I'll make it slide right. We'll paste, oops. We will copy and paste that and just make a few changes. Set that to 0. To make this minus, and we're going to say h speed equals plus 1, else equals 0. So what this code does is when this variable activated is triggered, if the X position of our door is greater than the X position minus 40 pixels, the horizontal speed is -1, so it will begin sliding to the left. Now, once the X coordinate of our dummy door reaches X minus 40, or once it slides 40 pixels to the right, it will be back to checking this, and it will no longer slide. H speed will be 0. And so here, if the door is open or slid all the way to the right, which would be X, if X is less than the initial X or start X of the object, then H speed will +1, which will send our door sliding to the right. And that is all you need in your step event. Now, in your draw event, you're going to want some, like I said earlier, you need sprites. So here, we're only going to say draw sprite as hinge index 0 at start X, start Y. Put that there. And we're going to say draw sprite index, dummy activated, X, Y. And that is all we need in our draw event. So we go back to our room, and we will now put our dummy door in place. Now, what we will do to trigger this is we're going to make we're going to give it an action button. Is that how I want to do it? Yeah. No. That's better. Okay. Now, what we're gonna do now is make a toggle, I guess. Is that how I want to do it? No. We'll just say if action button and dummy activated equals 0. Say dummy activated equals paste it and make the necessary change. Okay. Now, so when we open this room and use our dummy button, which is set to G, and use that button, the door should open close. So let's give it a run and find out. Trouble. I should show you how to make this little menu. It's pretty cool. I like it. Okay, so it's not working. Let's assess the situation. My dummy door is not triggering. Now, let's fix that. I'm gonna figure out how to fix it first. Alright. And we're going to try this instead. If action button. Let's see, dummy door. Dummy activated equals not. We'd follow that up with dummy door. Dummy activated. Okay. That looks good. Let's try that again. Here we go. And we see our door is now opening. Okay, having a bit of an issue there. So, keyboard check. Pressed. Try again. Oh, if you can't see that toggler that I put in to activate the door, it'd be here. So now the door works. Our door slides open and our door closes. So I'll give you a brief explanation of this code one more time, and that will conclude this tutorial on how to make a sliding door. For our door, we simply have a sprite assigned. The origin of this sprite is at the top left. It has no collision right now because all it is a sliding door. The create event for this door simply has these three variables. Whether it's activated, the starting X position, and the starting Y position. The step event has this code in it. If dummy activated equals 1, if the current X coordinate is greater than the initial X coordinate minus 40 pixels, H speed equals -1, our door will slide to the left. Otherwise, H speed equals 0, our door stops sliding. So, when this door gets activated, if it's from its initial position, its X coordinate will be greater than its X coordinate minus 40 pixels. So when activated, it will slide left. Same thing for going to the right, we just reverse the numbers. If start X is less, if its current X is less than its beginning X coordinate, then H speed equals +1, our door will slide to the right. In the draw event, we simply have draw sprites. S hinge is for, that is the open door sprite that is behind my door. Draw sprite index dummy activated simply tells our door to draw itself as it slides. My test button for activating my door is var action button equals keyboard check pressed or G. If action button dummy door dummy.activated equals not dummy door dot dummy activated. What this does is toggles dummy activated between 1 and 0. That is how we have made our sliding door. And you see our door does slide. Our little player dude here has no code behind him yet. We're just using that for tutorials. But anyhow, it's been a pleasure showing you how to create this humble sliding door. And I hope you find this to be very, very useful in your own projects. Thanks for watching. Take care. Goodbye now.